Hi, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a module inside our Android application. It's a separate library module, and how to implement that module inside our Android application. Okay, so those things only we are going to see right now. So let me start creating. So I already have one library, so that's fine. So let me start creating by things. So first go to the file. Okay, I'm clicking the file, and if you see new, you can find here new module, import samples. So if you already have any module, means you can import that one. Otherwise we can create with new modules. Okay, so I'm going to create new modules for, because we are having so new module. So inside here we have a lot of things, right? So you can have dummy Java language modules also, dummy Java and library modules, and we can create Android modules also based. So if you are when you are creating Android modules, you have to concentrate on this minimum SDK and language and this one. So this one is fine, but this one and language, you have to concentrate on that one. And build gradle. So okay, this is Android native library. Native library means you can create a very core functionality with native libraries. This Android library, you can create like, you can do views and custom function screens, all those things you can do with this. Okay, so these are all automotive. So whatever the library, common libraries, okay, right? So this is, now I am going to show you how we can implement this language based libraries. So both are same, but language based libraries, I'm just going to give an examples. Okay, this one is like, I am going to create one calculation based math operations, math calculation is okay. Okay, with task math. So this project is task. Okay, so task math. Okay, so this is one. I selected Kotlin. So then finish. So once you create finish, okay, this is for GitHub. So you can find in your project. So don't, if you are in the Android section, you can't find that. If you are in a project section, you can find that one in here. Okay, okay, this is the module. So taskmaster, so it is created and it is building. So once it is builded, you can find over here. So this is the class name. Okay, so this class name, so inside class name, what I am going to do is, I'm going to create some predefined functions which we can use it in our main applications for shortcuts. It's like add, subtract, so common things, right? So for example, for you people, so just to show. And the class should be public class. So private class we can't access. This is a default class. The default class we can't access outside of this package, right? So we have to create a public, then only we can access this one outside there. Okay, fun. Okay, fun add. Okay, int b, int. Okay, return. So return should be int. Okay, a plus b. Okay, so this should be one function. Second function will be subtract minus multiple multiply multiply. Okay, multiply, I don't know the spellings. Fine, so multiply. So okay, so these are the three basic normal functions. So you can add whatever the difference of functions you can add, and you can create more classes. So we can create more classes, we can relate it to both two classes, we can create interface. So it is like a small function mini projects also. So where you can use this one is, so you can use this when you are having multiple project, when you are working with multiple projects. So you have a same feature which will work in different all projects. It's like camera, if you are using camera or something, like, so the camera thing you can work with, you can implement the camera in all the application. You have to, or you have any features like implementing the camera in all the two or four applications means. So you don't want to code for all applications, you just create one library like this, and you can import this library in all the different applications. It's like which we are implementing in Gradle build, right? The Gradle build, we are implementing the same library we are writing over here. So this is, I create some few functions, right? So this is fine. So now I am going to import this one in our Gradle build file. So this is my project, taskmaster project. So in this project we are going to import that one. So same file. So if you go to file, new, import module. Okay, so inside the import module we have to check this one. Okay, we have to select. So already I implement the sample library. So I am going to see this one. Okay, taskmaster. I'm going to open. So this project already contain a model in this name. Okay, so this is not here, so we can't add up to here. So once again, so if you want to open this one, okay, so if you open this one, so this is a project module. Okay, project structure. Okay, you can open from here or you can open from files, project structure. Okay, where is it? Project structure. If you open this project structure, this will open. So we have two modules, so we don't want to undo something. So this is our application, Android application module. In this Android application module, I am going to add. So click this dependencies. In this dependencies, in the Android application module, I already added this sample library. I don't want that, but I'm going to add one more module dependency. So select this module dependency. We are not going to add this one, module dependency. So if you click the module dependency, it will show which is not added in your Android application and you are having in the project. So I'm having this one. I just select it and OK, then apply. So once it is applied, it will build your project. It will rebuild your project, and then if we click OK, so it will build. So you can find exactly here. Okay, so you can see it here. I added the, so you can directly write it also. You can directly write this line and you can sync, means it will sync. Otherwise, if you don't know how to write, means you can add it by like this. Okay, so that is one thing. So once it is done, I'll go to my bottom navigation screen or navigation screen. Okay, so I'm going to just call that function. Okay, what class name is task math is equal to, so you can see it here, task math. So this is the fourth item, right? Task math com.commute.task math. So that is from that library, this library. So we can comment that it's already imported. If you see it in the top, so you can see it over here, right? So this is this package name. So we import that one. So with this we can do the mathematical calculation, task math dot add. So you can see add 1.2, task math dot sub. So whatever that, okay, so these things and all, this video is about just showing you how to create a custom module and how to import the module in this one. So this is what we can do it on, and you can host this module separately in GitHub or somewhere, and you can use the URL and you can publish with some other people to work with that also. So both are fine. It's more or less nothing is good. Okay, I think this will be useful to you. You have anything preference to know something like that, means just let me know in comments. Okay, thank you.